Today I'm here to explain the features and improvement of WordPress 5.7 over WordPress 5.6. So let's start with this thing. Okay, so WordPress 5.7 was released on March 9, 2021, and it has improvement over the WordPress block editor functionality and user interfaces. Its main goal is to move the WordPress block editor for the full site editing option. And let's go to the features of 5.7 over its previous version. The first one is that it it has a easier way to send password reset emails and link. In previous versions, where whenever a user want to reset their password, then they need to send the password reset emails to the admin. Here we don't where here admin can send the password reset link to the required users, and they can reset their password as they want instead of doing by the admin. Here you can see that in its profile there is a link of password reset also. So through this link also they can reset their password by themselves. And another features of 5.7 is that it has upgrade site features from HTTP to HTTPS with a single click. So if any site is facilitated with HTTPS, then through this button we can change all the HTTP link in database to HTTPS in a single click. So another feature of 5.7 are it has a wide varieties of improvement on block editor features like drag and drop blocks from directly insert panel. We can change the color of social icons as well as background also, and there is a wide varieties of font size as well as font family in the block editor. We can change buttons block percentage width and its font size too. And another functionality of 5.7 is that it enhances the reusable of blocks. So whenever we use certain blocks, then we can reuse its style as well as all other CSS in another area by using a reusable blocks function of it. And it also provides the semi-transparent space blockers. So another features of 5.7 is that it provides color palette for developers, through which we can use the color instead of giving a custom name. We can use this WordPress color platter, and through it we can choose the wide varieties of colors for our use in CSS as well as for theme colors also. And another function for 5.7 is that it provides lazy loading frames. So whenever we choose iframe in a block editor, which have fixed width and height, then it automatically puts the attribute loading equal to lazy. So through this it make the iframe load in a optimal state so that our site doesn't get crash or our site doesn't get heavy. And another feature is that it has a new robots API. What robots API do is that it provides central control over the robot meta tag, and this 5.7 give us 5.7 has introduced a filter based robot API, so that it has a max image preview which make our image bigger in our search engine, so it can boost our traffic as well as it can increase the user experience also. And it also has improvement in jQuery updates and it has cleaned up major flaws that has on 5.6 and 5.7. We usually know that WordPress 5.5 had a major breakdown due to jQuery updates, and it has caused many website to crash. So those issues has already been fixed in 5.7, and it's still going on. And another major uh, feature of 5.7 is that it enhanced our import and export feature. And in 5.7, we can export a specific title based blogs, as well as we can filter our we can filter our export on the basis of date and other authors like that also. So it has better performance for menu items input too. So these are all the improvements that WordPress 5.7 has over its previous versions. So that's all. Thank you.